How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to continue to work on the G35. Now recently I did the front and rear bumper install on this vehicle. Now one thing that's missing from the vehicle is some new taillights. I ended up picking up some 06 and 07 G35 taillights, which I'm going to be installing right now. So go ahead and stay tuned. As you guys probably have seen in my previous videos, you guys know that this vehicle needs a lot of work, but something that has been bothering me about it are these tail lights. So I bought it with this broken tail light back here, and somebody, well, I guess whoever had the vehicle before me, didn't mask anything off and just kind of like sprayed through everything. And I tried removing this plastic dip off the tail lights, but I'm not able to. So instead of just trying to fix them and replacing them with the original ones, I decided to go ahead and get some different ones. In front of me, I have the replacement taillights for my G35. These are from a 2006 G35 Coupe. Now, as you guys can tell, they look different compared to the original ones that come on this vehicle, and that's because these are the newer style taillights. I actually prefer the way these guys look compared to the ones that I have now. So it's kind of like an upgrade, and I'm also be replacing a broken part on the car, which is a win-win for me. Also, I'm going to be installing new light bulbs right here for the reverse light. They actually are broken, the ones that I have on my vehicle now. So I want to give a special shout out to GZQLEDs for sending out these two LED light bulbs for me so that I can try them on my G35. If you guys are in the market for any LED lights, go ahead and check him out. He'll hook you guys up. I'll leave his information down in the link below. The LEDs should be a direct install, so I'm gonna go ahead and install them right now so that we can try out the output of the light. So you pretty much just remove your old light bulb and you install the LED. Now, I don't know if these are directional. We're gonna go ahead and try them on. If they don't light up, we're gonna go ahead and turn them around 180 degrees and this should work. Now that I have the LED bulbs in, I'm gonna go ahead and install my new taillights. There's a lot of videos on YouTube showing you guys how to install these, so I'm not gonna spend too much time on it, but I will show you guys how to install them just in case you guys are curious. First thing is first, we're gonna go ahead and pop our trunk. In front of me, I have some of the tools that you're gonna need to replace your taillights. You're going to need an 8mm socket, an extension to make things easier, a ratchet, and what you're basically going to do is remove 3 nuts that hold the taillight onto the body of the vehicle. What you're gonna do first is remove this piece right here that goes to where the latches to the trunk. Go ahead and pull it up, and you should be able to remove this out of the way. Now, this vehicle has been apart multiple times, so on mine it might be easier than yours. So just be careful not to break anything. And then you're also going to have these pieces covering some fasteners that you need to remove. So there's clips that you can unpop by using a flathead screwdriver. On this vehicle, they already are off of the vehicle, so I don't have to do that, but that's something that you're going to probably have to do.
Once you remove your carpet out of the way, you're going to have access to the fasteners that need to come off. So there is in total of 3, 2 that you can see right here, and then there is another one right here in this hole that you can't quite make out. These are all going to be 8mm, so go ahead and remove them.
Once you have your taillight free, go ahead and disconnect the electrical connection that goes to it, which should be tucked down somewhere down here. There's a tab right here that you need to push down on the electrical connection, and it should be free. Remove your taillight and pop the grommet that is right there. Go ahead and use your flathead and pop that out.
pretty much gonna conclude the end of the video. If you guys did like what you guys saw, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. And again, I want to just go ahead and give that shout out to GZQLEDs for hooking me up with these bright reverse lights. If you guys have any questions about what you guys saw in the video, please make sure to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll answer them as best as I can. Also, if you guys don't have the notification bell, please make sure to hit that so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.